guys. So today I'm going to show these English and American budgies. These are what they look like. 3 of them are the American budgies, and the other 3 are the English. So the smallest of them is ganymade. The biggest one is Titan. The female English budgie all the way back there. So, and this big blue bird, this budgie right here used to be the largest, Europa. Yeah, I named after, and there's 6. And there's 6 of them. And so, that's cool. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.